Herbs have been used for centuries to treat acne due to their natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Unlike harsh chemical treatments, herbs offer a gentler approach to skincare, working in harmony with your body's natural processes to achieve clearer skin. But what are the best natural herbs for acne-free skin? Let us explore some of the most effective options that can help you on your journey to clearer skin. But before we dive into these herbs, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more informative content on herbalism. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable information about herbs and natural remedies. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil extracted from the leaves of the tea tree, scientifically known as Melaleuca alternifolia, is renowned for its powerful antimicrobial properties. This oil contains terpinolol, a compound that exhibits strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. Research published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine reported that a cream containing 5% tea tree oil was effective in reducing acne lesions compared to a placebo cream. Additionally, a study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology demonstrated that a combination of 5% tea tree oil and 2% salicylic acid was well tolerated and significantly reduced acne severity. To incorporate tea tree oil into your routine, you can apply it topically as a spot treatment directly to pimples, or use it as an ingredient in cleansers or moisturizers. 2. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil derived from the aromatic rosemary plant, scientifically known as Rosmarinus officinalis, has been traditionally used for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. This versatile oil contains a high concentration of 1,8-cineol, which contributes to its antimicrobial activity. According to a study published in the Indian Journal of Dermatology, a blend of rosemary oil and lavender oil was effective in treating mild to moderate acne. The study participants showed significant improvement after using the oil mixture for 3 months. Rosemary oil's pleasant herbaceous scent also makes it a popular addition to shampoos and hair care products for maintaining scalp health and preventing dandruff. 3. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil obtained from the fragrant lavender plant, scientifically known as Lavandula angustifolia, is widely recognized for its calming properties. However, it also possesses antimicrobial properties that make it effective in treating acne. Research published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology investigated the efficacy of lavender essential oil as a monotherapy for acne. The study found that participants who applied lavender oil twice daily for 12 weeks experienced a significant reduction in acne lesions. Another study in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology reported that a combination of lavender essential oil, tea tree oil, and rosemary essential oil was effective in reducing acne and improving skin texture and appearance. You can use lavender essential oil in a diffuser to create a calming atmosphere, or dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba oil and apply it topically to your skin for acne treatment. 4. Calendula. Calendula, often referred to as pot or garden marigold, is a cheerful yellow or orange flowering herb that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its petals and leaves contain compounds such as triterpenoid, flavonoids, and carotenoids, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Research published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmacology investigated the wound healing properties of calendula extract. The study showed that calendula accelerated wound closure and significantly reduced inflammation at the site of injury. Another study in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology demonstrated that calendula extract inhibited the growth of Propionibacterium acnes, a bacterium associated with acne formation. You can use calendula in various forms, including a topical cream or ointment, tea or infusion, or even fresh juice. 5. Thyme, a fragrant herb commonly used in cooking, also has potent antimicrobial properties. It contains phenolic compounds such as thymol, carvacrol, and rosmarinic acid, which contribute to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry evaluated the antimicrobial activity of thyme essential oil against acne-causing bacteria. The results showed that thyme oil was highly effective in inhibiting the growth of P.acnes. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food investigated the anti-acne potential of thyme extract. The study demonstrated that thyme significantly reduced sebum production and improved acne severity. You can incorporate thyme into your routine by using it fresh or dried in teas or cooking, or using thyme essential oil in a diffuser or as a topical application. 6. Oregano. Oregano, frequently used in Italian cuisine, is known for its distinct flavor and aroma. It also possesses potent antimicrobial properties due to the presence of compounds such as carvacrol and thymol. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and food chemistry showed that oregano essential oil exhibited broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity against various bacteria, including acne-causing strains. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food investigated the anti-inflammatory and anti-acne effects of oregano extract. The results indicated that oregano could reduce inflammation and sebum production, contributing to improved acne-prone skin. You can enjoy the benefits of oregano by consuming it as a fresh herb, dried spice, or in the form of oregano tea. 7. Basil. Basil, with its sweet and peppery flavor, is not only a culinary delight, but also offers potential benefits for acne-prone skin. This herb contains compounds such as camphor, linalool, and eugenol, which possess antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. A study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmacology investigated the antimicrobial activity of basil leaf extract against acne bacteria. The findings showed that basil was effective in inhibiting the growth of acne-associated microorganisms. Another study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology explored the anti-acne potential of basil. The results suggested that basil could reduce sebum production and improve acne symptoms. You can use basil fresh in salads, soups, or as a tea to experience its potential benefits. 8. Aloe vera. Renowned for its soothing properties, aloe vera is a true workhorse when it comes to skincare. This transparent gel found in the leaves of the aloe vera plant is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help heal damaged skin and reduce inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Drug Delivery and Therapy demonstrated that a formulation containing aloe vera gel and niacinamide was effective in treating acne. The study participants showed significant improvements in acne severity after using the treatment. Additionally, aloe vera's humectant properties can help maintain skin hydration, which is essential for overall skin health. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea, a popular beverage in many cultures, is celebrated for its numerous health benefits. It contains polyphenols such as epigallocatechin gallate, which possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology investigated the efficacy of a green tea and niacinamide combination in treating acne. The study showed that participants who applied the green tea formulation twice daily for 12 weeks experienced significant reductions in acne lesions. Green tea's antioxidant properties can help protect the skin from environmental stressors, contributing to improved skin health and appearance. Number 10. Cucumber. Cucumber, commonly used in skincare products, is a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, and water. It contains compounds such as cucumbers, caffeic acid, and tannins, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. A study published in the International Journal of Basic Applied and Innovative Research investigated the efficacy of a cucumber extract in treating acne. The study showed that the extract significantly reduced sebum production and improved acne severity. Cucumber's high water content also contributes to its hydrating properties, making it an excellent choice for maintaining skin moisture balance. And there you have it, 10 powerful herbs that can help you on your journey to healthier, clearer skin. Incorporating these herbs into your diet or skincare routine can provide natural and effective solutions for acne and other skin concerns. Remember that while herbs can be highly beneficial, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment plans. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content on herbalism and natural remedies. Thanks for watching.